Miss Foster, and today is Sculpture Day. So I am going to be showing you what sculpture materials I'm using today, but if you do not have any of these, that's okay. Find what you have at your house. If you have paper, great. Old cardboard box, great. A recycled soda bottle, awesome. So if you are low on sculpture materials, look around your house because a lot of times those recycled materials make great sculpture materials. Okay, so today we're making animals. I'm going to challenge you with making 4 different types of animals today. I will show you on the video the prompt or the animal that I would like you to try and make. And if you have extra time today, come up with a different animal or research alebrijes, which you might have seen in the movie Coco, which takes 2 to 3, sometimes even 4 animals and puts them together. So if you want to challenge yourself and look up what an alebrije is, go ahead and do that. That'll be fun. For the materials that I'm using today, I'm going to start with some straws. These are great tools. They're great art materials. You can use plastic ones. You can use paper ones. You can cut them, string things through them. They're really awesome. So the next time you get takeout, you have something to drink that comes with a straw, don't throw it away. Instead, rinse it off, wait for it to dry, and you can use it as an art material for sculpture. The next thing I'm going to be using today are small containers of Play-Doh. I love Play-Doh because you can sculpt things, and when you're finished, roll it up into a ball, stick it back in the container, and it lasts a really long time. So if you can get your hands on some Play-Doh, this is a great sculpture material. Next are some popsicle sticks. Next time you have a popsicle, don't throw away the stick because they make great art tools. They're great for scooping out the Play-Doh. They're great for stamping onto the Play-Doh, but you can also use these themselves as an art tool. So if you have a couple popsicle sticks, go ahead and grab those. And last but not least, my favorite, Wiki Stix. Wiki Stix are a great sculpting material. If you've never used them before, they're kind of like waxy string. And so you can bend them, you can even cut them, you can loop them around, make them into all sorts of shapes. And when you're finished, you can straighten them back out, put them in the bag, and they last a really long time. So highly recommend Wiki Stix for sculpture. All right, so now that you know what we're making today, what materials you might need, go ahead and grab whatever materials you have that you think might be good for sculpture today, and let's get started.